Today, I want to share something that can genuinely change the way you think, feel, and move through the world. Whether you've been on a spiritual journey for years or you are just beginning to reconnect with your faith. Because here's the truth, most of us are walking around with a brain that's overwhelmed and a heart that is undernourished. We are trying to think better, feel better, be better, but no one ever taught us how the mind and the heart actually work together. So today, I want to show you something powerful. What happens when you bring together the modern tools of psychology, specifically Neuro Linguistic Programming, and the timeless wisdom of Islamic spirituality? When you blend the two, you get a way of growing that is holistic, grounded, and deeply aligned with who Allah created you to be. On one side, you have NLP, a practical science-based way of understanding how your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are wired. On the other side, you have Islamic spirituality, a path of purifying the heart, strengthening your connection with Allah, and living with purpose. Most people think these two worlds don't belong together. But when I work with my coaching clients, I show them how beautifully they align and how combining them can help you rewire your mind, soften your heart, and become a stronger, calmer, and more grounded Muslim. In NLP, we start with something called presuppositions, the core beliefs that guide every coaching conversation. And what surprises my clients is how these principles echo spiritual truths they've known all their lives. For example, the map is not the territory. Your perception isn't the full reality. In Islam, only Allah, Al Hakim, knows the absolute truth. Or there is no failure, only feedback. That's the essence of sabr, seeing challenges as lessons, not punishments. And the one that transforms my clients the most, people are not broken. They already have the resources they need. This mirrors the Islamic concept of Fitra, the pure potential Allah placed inside every human being. When I coach clients, I'm not fixing them. I'm helping them uncover the strengths Allah already placed within them. But here's the challenge. Even when we know these truths, our mind gets in the way. In NLP, we call this the critical factor, the inner voice that says, "This won't work for me. I've tried everything. I'm not good enough." When I guide clients through these transformations, the first step is helping them quiet that voice, not suppress it, but soften it, so they can access a deeper level of awareness. And this is where the bridge appears. What NLP calls trance, a relaxed, focused state, is functionally the same as the Islamic practice of Muraqabah, mindful watchfulness of the heart. Both help you observe your thoughts without being controlled by them, create inner resilience, access deeper wisdom, reconnect with the qalb, the spiritual heart through stillness. This is where modern psychology and Islamic spirituality meet. In my coaching practice, I bring these two worlds together through a process I call the Well of Now. It's a guided experience that blends NLP techniques, nervous system regulation, Islamic concepts like tawakkul and sakīnah. And here's how I guide my clients through this. We begin with sakīnah. And sakīnah is a state of deep calm. We use NLP anchoring to reconnect them with a moment they felt strong and capable. We reframe that strength as a gift from Allah, not self-generated. We integrate it so they carry that grounded trust back into their daily life. This is where clients feel like the biggest shift has happened because it works on the mind, the heart, and the soul at the same time. When you step back, you realize something profound. Modern tools and ancient wisdoms were never meant to compete. They were always meant to complement each other. And when you bring them together, you get a path to growth that is spiritually aligned, psychologically grounded, emotionally stabilizing, and deeply transformative. This is how you revive your mind. This is how you revive your heart. This is how you revive your life. If this resonated with you and you'd like to explore whether this kind of integrated coaching could support your own journey, you're welcome to reach out. My email is in the description. No pressure, no expectations, just a complimentary conversation to see if this is the right step for you. And if not, that is completely fine. And I pray that this video alone brings you clarity, grounding, and a deeper connection with Allah. Ameen. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.